Guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk to you guys in this video. I want to talk about that there's no such thing as a business which doesn't require effort and work. There are a lot of people that get into some of these opportunities that I do, and they think that they can they think the opportunity is like a lottery ticket or a scratch ticket where you can do little effort and little work and expect to get huge results. That doesn't work. No. If you want to get that, then just buy a scratch ticket and you can win money instantly. But it does take work. It does take dedication. It takes what I'm doing right now, getting out to you guys. It takes about branding yourself. And a lot of the stuff I'm talking in this video will apply to other things that you may be pursuing right now. If you don't get out there and get seen, how do you expect anyone to connect with you? It's not going to happen. And if you show people the way, the odds of them joining you will increase. That's why I took my sponsor in Power Lead System. He created a share code, so he created his own page that he uses to promote Power Lead System by itself, and he set it up as a share code to give to his downline. And what he did was he gave us permission to make a copy of it, and that way we can make our own edits. So I took one of the landing pages that he made, and I changed it up a little bit, and I added a video of myself. So if you're watching this video, you'll see me again inside the landing page. Now, if you like I said, if you truly want to build your business, if you really truly want to make the really big money, you have to take action. You have to brand yourself. If you're just starting out and you just want to use the sales page, it's a very good sales page to get leads into Power Lead System. And like I talked about in the video the other day, I said that Power Lead System no longer has any pass-ups. So there's no more pass-ups. So you can make commission on every sale. So at the gold membership, every person you bring in, for as long as they use those tools, they will be what am I saying? They will be paying you $20 every month for as long as they keep paying their membership. And if you can get 2 or 3 people in your downline to become a gold member, and they stay that way, then your Power Lead System affiliate and tools are already paid for every month. You're no longer paying for your membership. So to get back to what I was saying is, if you have fears and you have a lot of these hang-ups that are holding you back, then you're not going to get far. I'm not going to lie. I've been doing this now for about 6 years, but I suffered from a lot of those hang-ups and fears, and it's held me back. And had I been gung-ho about my business as I have been in the as I am now, I would probably be up there with my sponsor, who is a 6-figure earner. And he's not a 6-figure earner because he scammed people or anything like that. It's because he busted his ass, pardon my French, he's busted his ass to get to where he is. And once you get that going, it becomes easier. It really does. And that's my goal for 2019, to get my business up to the point where I'm having success like my sponsor has. And What else was I going to say? I'm not scripted here, so... Oh, that's what I was going to say. I was going to say, if you... Like I said, if you apply action, you're gonna... at some point, you're going to do it. But what happens is, a lot of people, they don't get the results they want right away, so they quit. If you quit, and instead of quitting, actually, here's a tip here. You keep applying action. You keep learning from, well, will this work if I try it this way or that way? And eventually you'll find your way of doing things. My sponsor in Power Lead System, and he told me once that you gotta don't concentrate. If you're going to do paid advertising, you can do that. If you do YouTube or social media or Facebook, you can do that as well. But he said, focus at one way of getting out to people. Find one way of getting out to people and master that one way. And then after you master that one way, move to the next thing. What a lot of people end up doing a lot of the times when they get into their online business is they get overwhelmed because they have all these ways they're trying to do, but because they're not focused at one way of getting out to people, they're not getting any results. Because when you focus at one thing, it's a lot easier than focusing at all these other ways of getting out to people. So what I'm essentially saying is, if you want to build your business and if you want to make the really good money, you have to work at it. You can't give up. And if you have hang-ups like upgrading to Diamond, let's say upgrading to Diamond in Power Lead System, it's a one-time $147 payment, and now for life you are qualified to make $100 commissions every time someone comes into your business inside our sales funnel. Below, there's a whole video where my sponsor talks about getting 147. Or like I think he got like 200 diamond members in the first 2 years that he was in Power Lead System. You can do the math. That's a lot of money, and that's just from his diamonds. It's also not from the all the people that have the $20 commissions that are coming in every day, every month. And on top of that, you get the residuals. You get a 50% matching bonus on your referrals entire pay line. So let's say the person you brought in, he basically brings in about, let's say, $1,000. At the end of the month, you're going to get $500 from the 50% matching bonus. And the same thing with Diamond. With the Diamond commissions, every time your referrals gets a sale, you get a $25 matching a bonus, and it's 25% matching bonus on the same as like with gold, except it's 25. And you get the $100 commissions every time you make a Diamond sale. It's really not hard, guys. It really isn't. And if you get out there, don't be afraid to make videos. I love making videos because the more you do them, the better you get at it, and the easier it becomes. And you may find that you like making videos because they don't have to be perfect. Even in this video, I made some pauses, and I lost my train of thought for a second, and I was thinking, I was going to say, oh, I got to start all over again. No, because I'm not scripted. I'm actually talking to you guys from my heart. I really am. And if you want to join, the link is in the description. You can find the Power Lead System sales funnel in there, and you just go through the entire sales funnel. It's going to you watch the video presentation. It's a really good video presentation. He goes through all this stuff. He goes through diamond, platinum, and gold membership. And he explains it very thoroughly. I did put a caption underneath the video because he hasn't updated the video yet. I'm not sure if he is going to, but I did put a caption under the video where it says there's no more pass-ups in the gold and diamond level, because with platinum and MTI, the $400 commissions and the $1,000 commissions, there were never pass-ups. So, but at the gold and diamond level, there are no more pass-ups. So every single sale that you make goes directly to you. And so I just wanted to shoot this video for you guys because you got to get over your hang-ups. You got to get over your fears. You got to get over what other people are going to think, because otherwise you just won't make it far in the online business world. And 99% of the stuff I do to get people in is free ways of getting out to people. Videos are very powerful because people get to see you, and I think pretty soon I'm just gonna do a video about me and who I am, and I think that would be a good video to put out there just so people can get to know me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyways, and even if you don't join me, everything I just said pretty much in this video can apply to anything that you guys are going after. And the problem is we let things that are negative, we get too cynical, like, oh, I can never make that kind of money, or it's a pipe dream. No, because that is not the way anyone who's ever been successful has ever thought. If they had a failure, they learn from their failure and they get up and going. So if you guys like this video, like it, make a comment in the comments below. If you want to, hit the subscribe button, and also when you hit the subscribe button, a bell will pop up right next to it. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content, which I'm going to be doing soon, because I'm going to be uploading this video very soon too. And I am actually making it my goal to at least make 1 to 2 videos a day. That's another way of building your presence online, is to get more content out there. Like I said, I'm going to be putting out some Power Lead System tutorials, because I want to show you guys how to use your tools as well. And also, actually, even inside this sales funnel that you're about to see, as you go through the sales funnel and you put your sales funnel together, you will have a chance to, there'll be a link saying training page. Sean actually put a full training page inside the sales funnel to help you out. So you can also look at that. He goes in how he uses Facebook, the ways he does it. Some of the videos are older, are probably about a year or two old, but they still have a gold mine of information on how to market your business. And you can use these tools, and I mean these tips, for any business that you want to promote as well. So again, guys, like the video, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.